Good morning, sir. My name is Mallikarjuna PS. A seminar on green manufacturing. What is green manufacturing? Implementing any kind of changes in manufacturing which leads to reduction in energy consumption, resource consumption, waste by products, and water usage. Green manufacturing is the renewal of production process and the establishment of eco-friendly operation within the manufacturing field. Greening of manufacturing natural resources, reduce pollution and waste, recycle and reuse materials, harmful emissions. Why green manufacturing is so important? Green initiative aims to minimize the impact of human activities on the environment. As much fresh water has been withdrawn in last 30 years as in last 3 centuries. Rising emission and associated climate change, growing waste generation and pollution. Green manufacturing in India. First Green Manufacturing Summit on 7th October 2010 at New Delhi, aiming at promoting green manufacturing. The Government of India is also considering the setting up of National Equality Fund to help greenfield projects and new generation. A number of schemes has been put in encourage the growth of sustainability, such as Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. Necessity of green manufacturing. Customers are environment conscious. Environment protection is top grade for everyone. Running out of fossil fuel supply. Loss of trees and forest. Green manufacturing is challenge for today but has business opportunity for tomorrow. Transformation to green manufacturing. Green manufacturing involves of industrial operation in 3 ways: green energy, green processes, green products. Green energy. Green energy comes from natural sources like wind, water and sunlight. Can be produced with little pollution. It's more eco-friendly than other types of energy. Does not contribute to climate change or global warming like traditional energy source. Green manufacturing process seeks to minimize the impact of manufacturing process on the environment at every stage. Goals: minimize emissions, minimize the use of non-renewable forms of energy, minimize the life cycle cost of products or service. Green products. The third area is implementing green process in operation. This entails efficient use of key resource, reducing waste generation through lean operations, bringing down the carbon footprint and conserving water. Employing green process improves operational efficiency and lower costs. Product life cycle. Extraction of raw materials, manufacturing and production, packing and distribution, purchasing, use and maintenance, disposal. Benefits. Environmental benefits. Its main goal is to control the amount of waste being generated by industries to minimum level, which will help ecology and ultimately improves its health. Industrial waste is generated in enormous amount, and one of most devastating effort is water pollution. Green manufacturing can significantly reduce landfill waste. Economic benefits. Industry also can benefit from reduced production cost, which are typically the result of upgrading production facilities to include green building technology such as solar and wind power. Adapting green manufacturing also promotes a positive image on industry. Emitting waste saves money because companies wouldn't have to figure out what to do with parts in the end when it could be recycled. Technological benefits. Green manufacturing spins off a lot of research and development projects. Each of projects enhance our technology. Challenges. Long-term effort. It requires a lot of determination for manufacturer. Green manufacturing is not just short-term effort, as result will not show in short period. Investment. Company must invest large amount of cash in water treatment and emission control. Increase in production cost. With all spending in the above mentioned field, there will be surely the increase in production cost. Engineers. They have to weigh between product reliability and assemble during the designing of products. Emerging technology in green manufacturing. The new and emerging technology that aid in both making traditional business and greener as well as creating complete new ones. For example, technology greenhouse gases can be classified into 5 broader categories. Carbon sinks. This technology enables capturing and storage CO2 in ways such that it does not allow atmosphere. Efficient fuels. A class of technology that use cleaner fuels for generating power. Consumer green. This involves using clean and efficient fuels at the user's end, and solution covering demand side management, solar water heaters. Green transportation. Electric vehicles, fuel cells, and biodiesels are some example of these categories. Industrial efficiency. This category refers to use of green production method and technology in traditional industry to increase efficiency. Method of carbon sinks. Forest as sink, afforestation, reforestation, plantation. Trees, trees are natural sequestrators of carbon. They take carbon from atmosphere, utilizes it in the process of photosynthesis, as well as they store in the form of biomass or wood. For this process of carbon sequestration to be succeeded, it must be essential that carbon must not return to atmosphere for burning. Restoration. Wetland soil is an important natural carbon sink. Wetland conserve 14% of soil carbon found in world, but only 6% of world's land is composed of wetland. Oceans as sink. Oceans absorb CO2 from atmosphere because the concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere is greater than the ocean. The difference in partial pressure of CO2 results in gas being absorbed into world's ocean. Eco-friendly fuels. Compressed natural gas CNG, biodiesel, hydrogen energy, solar cars, ethanol. Companies in India: Suzlon Energy ITC Limited, Tata Metal Link Limited, Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Paper Limited, Wipro Technology, HCL Technology, Oil and Natural Gas Company, IndusInd Bank, Idea Cellular. Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy is fourth largest wind turbine company in the world, and the company has convinced the world that wind is going to be future energy. They have their wind power factories in Pondicherry in India, and their cooperative building is regarded as the best energy efficient building in India. Tata Metal Link Limited. Tata Metal Link Limited adopts every day as Green Day, and to achieve the greener society objective, the company is not operating on Saturdays with the objective of saving energy. Also, the company is following the object of not switching on the light during the day times, and the whole office depends on sunlight during the day times. Companies all over the world: Tesla Motors, Toyota, Honda, McDonald's, Dell, Google, Nike, Walmart, Coca-Cola, Starbucks. Tesla Motors. Tesla Motor is a business involved in manufacturing of cars that are eco-friendly. The amazing aspect about it is that it does not so without forfeiting the power and speed of the car. The electric powered car made by Tesla are very efficient and can go up from 0 to 60 in in just 3.9 seconds. With from the electric output, the car are silk, and the overall maintenance cost is also cost efficient. Coca-Cola has made substitutional strides in narrowing down the three most important environment goals. This include water prevention, energy and climate protection, and sustainability packing. This initiative implies the determination to the environment conscious. According to Coca-Cola, is active involved in community recycling process, use of efficient energies in production and supplies, and greener packing designs. Conclusion: green manufacturing is vital in preserving our natural resource for future generation. It may be costly and requires lot of determination, but many companies have taken the initiative of go green. With green manufacturing, companies that truly is green will prove the company's strength, capability and reliability. Reference: M.A. Badri, D. Davis, a study of measuring the critical factors of quality management, International Journal of Quality and Reliability Management. Abhijit K. Ashokar, Vivek K. Green Manufacturing Performance Measures as investing from Indian manufacturing industry, measuring business excellence. Google. 5 R's: reuse, recycle, reject, repair, reduce. Go green. Thank you.